So we gave you the Mavericks' worst sporting moments of 2018. Now it's time for the best sporting moments of 2018. And again, we're doing it in order from number 3 to number 1. So here we go. The Mavericks' third best sporting moment of 2018 was the blackest team ever to win the FIFA World Cup, France. That was the closest thing to an African nation winning the World Cup. The next best sporting moment for the year, according to the Mavericks, is Jose Mourinho getting fired as Manchester United coach with Manchester United out of the title race. That's coming like 3 Christmas in one for the Mavericks. Now, are you ready for the Mavericks' best sporting moment of 2018? Well, of course, Jamaica's reggae girls qualifying for the World Cup finals. And it was not just a qualification, but this rendition of the national anthem in the dressing room immediately after the qualification. That was easily the Mavericks' top sporting moment of 2018. So there you have it. Like only the Maverick can do it. We look forward to 2019 with great optimism and look forward to more great and not so great sporting performances. Until then, see you next year!